Hey guys, I'm Lauren. I'm a comprehensively certified Pilates instructor here in Miami. So I'm on the reformer right now. I'm on short box. I have my feet in the safety strap in the front. So I want to do a little short box series on the reformer, and then we're going to do the same exact thing on the mat. So you could do it at home if you don't have a reformer. All right, so let's just start. We're going to do 3 things. We'll do flat back, round back, and then we'll add a little rotate in. All right, so we want to sit up really tall. Let's use the arms also. So let's just keep the arms out in front. Sit really tall. Good posture, flat back hinge. Keep the abs in. We're going to go back, flat back, and then use the abs sitting up tall. Let's do 8 of everything, so 7 more. Let's try 6 more. Good, just hinging back, keeping the back flat. Four more. 3, 2. Last one. Let's stay back for the next one. Let's add little pulses for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming up, sitting tall. If you're feeling a stretch, you could always stretch for the feet. Rest for a second. Okay, good. Let's go into the round back now. So we'll use the arms still. Just keep the arms out. Sit tall to start. We're going to scoop the belly, rounding onto the tailbone, and then coming up, sitting really tall. So scoop the belly, rounding onto the tailbone, coming up, sitting really tall. Let's try 6 more. Round, sitting up tall. 5, 4. By now you should be feeling the abs. 3. 2 more, rounding. Sit up tall and let's add those little pulses for the next one. Round back, stay there and pulse up and down with your body. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up, sit tall. You could always do the little stretch. All right, so let's add a little rotate from the round back. So we'll keep the arms up again. We're going to round back. We'll open one arm, look in that direction. Back to the center, other arm. Good, let's try 6 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, back to the center, coming up. You can always stretch if you're feeling it. Amazing. So now we're going to do everything on the mat. If you don't have a reformer, you could just do this exactly on your Pilates mat at home.